Why are your business financial documents relevant, important? What are they really? My name is Paul Vasquez with TaxLab, and you need to become an ethical millionaire. Now, whether you're talking about a personal balance sheet, a personal budget, or a business balance sheet and profit and loss statement, these records, these forms, these reports show the history of your financial life, either as a business or as an individual. And so your budget or your profit and loss statement is like short-term memory. It's going to have a lot more detail about what happened that day, that week, that month, that quarter, that year. Like the long-term memory, it's going to be able to record down how your business has been developing from year to year. It can do quarter to quarter, month to month, and all that, but you're not going to see a huge change in your balance sheet because it's taking into account the bigger moves of your business life, of your financial life. So you don't see as much of a difference in a month to month picture as you often would in a quarter to quarter or a year to year type of view. It's recording the long-term things that go on in your business, the total value of the assets, the total value of the liabilities, and what value you've put into your business, or what your difference is between your assets and your liabilities, maybe that net worth if you're talking personal. Where that profit and loss statement or your budget is what's going on week to week, month to month, the ins and the outs, the real quick turnarounds, where the expenses are. All that P&L, that profit and loss statement, is actually the sum total of that is then reflected on the balance sheet in the retained earnings section. You should be able to see that connection on there. But you can see how kind of one is more about the short-term transactions of your business, and one then records more of the bigger picture aspects of what's going on. And so that's how these two are related, and that's how they become important, because one is kind of giving you a zoomed in snapshot of a particular part or particular parts of what's going on in that balance sheet. So if you want to keep in touch with those who are on that same journey, go to taxlab.club, and there you can join a community of people who are dedicated to become ethical millionaires. I wish you all the success.